Hey guys, Rob here. It's first week of February 2018, bloody cold outside, but oh well, nevertheless. Anyways, I'm here just to do a small intro to my brand new edition for 2018, which is the MT09. So as you saw from last year when we were doing all the videos and riding, it was with the FZ09 2017, that red one, right? So badass bike. I really loved that bike. So anyways, I wanted to continue on with progression through the years, always keep up to date with the new products. So I ended up picking up the 2018 MT09. So they have changed the name, right? And anyways, without further ado, let's get you over here just so you can take a little peek of it. And here she is. So 2018 MT09 with, I call it a tactical black. That's kind of known in Europe, but here they call it like a deep dark gray, something gray, something. Anyways, it's not a matte finish, but it is. It's kind of like a very subtle semi-gloss. Nice about it is the fingerprints don't stay on it like as if it was a regular matte black, but it's not a gloss either. So other than that, there's not any big changes for the 2018 other than the name, which is now an MT, and then the colors. But as for the specs, it all pretty much remains the same. As you can see, it's still in its crate form because I just received it yesterday. I was really excited, so I just wanted to get it uncrated and kind of displayed out to you guys to show you. Like I said, I'm super giddy. Just need that warm weather now. So what I'm going to do this year, I think, actually, is instead of just uncrating it, getting it all assembled up, and then throwing out a couple of videos of me posting, one accessory here and one accessory there, because I have a lot of stuff that's got to go onto this one for the 2018, I think I will kind of start dressing it up with accessories straight from the crate. So such as, I got the windshield, I got hand guards, I got heated grips, I've got rad guards, I got the exhaust, the quick shift, seat. I have a rear tag eliminator, so basically what that one does, and I wanted to do that for this year, even though this is the second year that the MT or FZ09 comes with this rear tail. Not that I don't like it, but I am planning on installing some saddlebags as well for when we do long trips, because I normally have a rear rack. But then I wanted to put some saddlebags on the side. However, by doing that, where the flashers are, it's a little bit of a conflict where the saddlebag mounts for the saddlebags that I like. So I decided I will put my license plate under here, and it is a genuine Yamaha accessory that is offered through Yamaha. So what that does is it actually eliminates this tailpiece. So actually this whole thing comes off. Now this is a specific proper kit because it swaps out the axle as well, where a lot of people actually, they just kind of cut it off and chop it off there, but that doesn't look cool. That's not the way to do it, right? When you put on genuine accessories and when you want genuine finish, you want to do it properly. So no hacking, no cutting, none of that, right? So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is actually, as I uncrate the bike, I'm going to remove the stock parts that I'm not going to be using because I'm going to be replacing it with the accessory ones. So I will run through the installation on that. And so if you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions, please take a minute, write it out, post it down, and I will definitely reply to you guys. But other than that, I think I'll do the unboxing, kind of like a little time lapse. I'm not sure, figure it out. You guys all know the specs anyway, so I mean, I can throw that out there for you. But other than that, like, you know what, we're just here to see the real beauty of the bike and stuff like that. So hopefully by my next video, you'll start seeing a whole bunch of other new bling on there. And anyways, thank you again for all your support. Thank you very much for all your views, your contributions. I mean, more than satisfactory. I really enjoy that. So I hope 2018 for everybody is going to be a safe ride, fun year. And again, if you have any questions, any comments, send them to me. I'll get right back to you guys. All right, cheers, mate.